Hello everyone, this is an invitation for you to join me for a brighter day with Vedic astrology to guide you over the sea of life. This is a general tarot reading for all ascendants for February 20th to 26th, 2022. This is Tarot Week 8. Welcome to Zidam Astrology. This week we have our 3-card spread to guide us, to tell us, to invite us, to show us the potential outcomes, the successes or pitfalls, or the emotional roller coaster that we may be having to deal with or to confront. The cards tells us the story, the cards brings us the messages, and in this way we can understand why we feel, how we feel on any given day. This is your 3-card spread, and the first card that we are going to choose for this week is the Ace of Wands. The Ace of Wands, the first card. The second card is the Two of Pentacles. The Two of Pentacles. And the final card for this week is the Strength card, number 8, the Strength card. So these are our 3 cards for this week: Ace of Wands, Two of Pentacles, and Strength. We are now going to deal with the 3-card spread of the cards that we chose or that were randomly selected. And the first card was the Ace of Wands. And the Ace of Wands in the past tells us that we had new beginnings in the past, that we took some steps that will bring us to new beginnings, new choices that are flourishing for us. And this gives us the Two of Pentacles in the present, where we have the rough seas behind us, but we are still juggling. We are juggling our resources, but we are not looking where we're going. So that we have to be wary of the steps that we are taking. We don't know what is in front of us. This is reminiscent of the Fool, where you are stepping off that cliff. But here we are juggling the pentacles, the resources that we have, the material resources that we have. But we have to be careful about the future, because we don't know where we are stepping. We are looking at the resources rather than what is in front of us or behind us. And the Strength card tells us that we have the strength, or we will be strong enough in the future to have those resources, to corner those resources, to take that journey over the sea of life, to reach the brighter future, where we cross the rough seas, we cross the dangerous seas, and we reach that land that the sun is shining on. It's there in the calm waters. It's there before the mountains. We don't have those obstacles again, because there is nothing blocking us from taking that journey, from having the strength to make that journey to be where we are or where we want to be in the future. Bhagwan's blessings have seen me produced yet another video for my Tarot Week series. I ask that you learn with me, you join me every week, you join me on my YouTube channel, you join me on my blog at zidamastrology.com. I always wish you health, strength, and wealth. I hope that I can see you next time. Bye.